hold on.
Okay,
Oh.
we're going.
Let's say you have a patient that you don't want to get out of bed at all on his own. You want to make sure the nurse is there. You got lockout for the controls on the side rails. This, you push this will lock the side rails on both sides. Okay,
Okay, show me now.
and then
So now, since the lockout has been enabled, I can't move the head up and down. It's been locked. You continue.
okay, now over here we have the height of the bed. If you lock all of it, lock them all, you can still operate it. Oh, no.
If you do lockout, it won't. No.
Yeah.
Put it there. Yeah, so if you do all motions lock out, the bed won't go up and down, or the side rails won't go up and down. Now the bed goes up and down because the lockout has been released. All right, are you done?